Hello everyone, this is my first video with my own voice. So one of my subscribers requested me to create a visa approved congratulations poster design. So today I'm going to create this poster design for my subscribers who requested me for this video. So first go to canva.com, then go to custom size, then click on 736 into 920 pixels. So wait a moment for load this page. Okay, so first of all, upload your company logo, brand logo, agency logo. So I am uploaded my logo here before, so I am searching my logo, Neil, and here is my logo. So I'm importing this and place it here. Okay, then write your agency name. For example, I am giving it Neil Agency and change the font to Poppins. Probably semi-bold. Yeah, this looks great. And the font color will be like your branding color, agency logo color. So I am giving it this color, and duplicate this text, unbold this and write your company slogan here. So I am giving it trusted student consultancy. I think that looks great. By the way, you will use your own company slogan here, slogan or tagline. So I am adjusting the size and position to the middle alignment of this page. Yeah, perfect. So now I am going to elements and search for the map. Go to graphics, add this map here, and transparency will be 30, around 30. Great. So make it bigger to adjust in the poster, and then search for the airplane, and I'm importing this. Change the transparency to 15, for example. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so for example, I am creating this poster for my client who got the Australia visa. So I am searching for Australia map. Australia, yeah, Australia map. So this is the Australian map, and I am importing this. Make it little bigger, place it here, then upload your client photo who got the visa. So I am taking a photo from the elements. I am writing student. You will use your own client photo. So remove the background, go to edit. You will use edit option if you need this. Here is the image, and the face is not so much clear and brighter, so I am adjusting the brightness here to 20. Yeah, now it looks okay, great. So I am place it here. Okay, I am place it here. Yeah, done. Then I am importing a shape from the element and place it here like this. Make it bigger. Okay, and make it little smaller. So shape color will be like your Australian map color. So it's blue, and I am taking it blue. So duplicate it and change the color to this color and make it little smaller. Place it here and little adjustment. Now looks great actually. So go to text and add a text. I'm writing here congratulations. Congratulations. Text color will be like the map color, so I'm making it blue and changing the font to Great Vibes. Great Vibes. All right. Congratulations. Okay. Then again add text. Write your client name. For example, I am writing here my name, Mr. Neil. Or change the font to Poppins and probably semi-bold. Yeah, perfect. And the font color will be this color and make it italic. Then add a shape again, place it here, adjust the size with the Mr. Neil for this line, and write here the country name, Australia. Change the font to Poppins and color will be white and font will be semi-bold. Perfect. So I'm adjusting the size with arrow key from the keyboard. Perfect. Click on this text, make it duplicate, right here visa approved. Make it little smaller by decreasing the size, visa approved. Now looks perfect. You can adjust the position of all of these text by selecting all of them. So again, import the map, place it here, duplicate this text, country name, make it little bigger, then duplicate your logo, place it here, adjust the position with arrow key. After adjusting the logo position, the alignment of this logo will be with this text. So I'm adjusting this with the text. Okay, so I am writing my agency name again here, duplicate this text, change the font to white, writing my agency name, for example, Neil Agency. All right, Neil Agency, and again duplicate this, double click on this and write your phone number here, make it black color and place it here. Go to elements and add a call icon, go to graphics, add this icon, flip it to horizontally, decrease the size, adjust the size and position. Here I am taking little adjustment. I am using arrow button for this adjustment. Sometimes arrow button works very well more than a mouse. Adjusting the text position finally, and here is the final result. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any requested design, so tell me in the comment box. Thank you.